guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make Disney Encanto inspired candles, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. The first way, we're going to take a glass jarred candle. I've already removed the label that was on this, and we're going to put our own sticker label on this candle. To do that, you can do it like I did, which was with the Cricut, and I just cut out a very similar design, and we're going to transfer tape it, that's what this is, to the candle. Or if you don't have a Cricut, you can still buy the vinyl paper at both Dollarama in Canada and Dollar Tree in the United States and just cut it out by hand. So we're going to have this done. We already have it on our transfer tape. So we're just going to peel the design off and put that off to the side. Before we stick this on to transfer it, we do need to clean the surface. So to do that, we're going to use a cotton pad and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. This is so important to get a good grip when you're using vinyl or vinyl paper. And it doesn't matter what brand it is, you just want to make sure it is nice and clean. Okay, we'll let that dry off. And then we're going to stick this on. So again, even if you're using it without the Cricut to cut it, you're still going to need transfer tape. Dollar Tree does sell this. Cricut sells it. All the different brands sell it. Or you can just use shelf liner that's clear, masking tape. It doesn't have to be expensive. So now that this is dry, we're just going to line it up. And I'm not going to go all the way up because the candle ends here. And we're just going to wrap the tape around. And then we're going to press it down. You can use any little piece of plastic. This is a tool from, it's actually a knockoff from Cricut. And we're just going to rub. And you want to rub to get all of the air bubbles out and really just to transfer the design from the tape to the glass. So we'll have to rub a little bit. I'm going to turn it this way. And we're just going to rub to get it off because you're going to transfer it from the tape to the candle. You can see how it's going just by lifting slightly and slowly. So you see there how it's transferring, but this one didn't. So we go back and we give it a little rub and you just keep on going. Press and go. And when you get all the way around, you will have your very own Encanto candle, Encanto inspired candle. So we'll just start peeling it off. And you can reuse your transfer tape. And there you go. There is your Encanto inspired candle. This is a real candle, so if you are going to light it, make sure you have an adult and trim your wick. But look how great that is to put on a display piece for your very own glass candle. Now, if you don't have any of this and you still want to make a candle, I'm going to show you a DIY candle that you can actually play with. So let's move this one off to the side. This is going to look lovely in my living room. We'll move that off to the side and we will make a fun one you can play with. So for this, you will need a piece of paper with a printout. You can draw it if you don't have a printer, and a piece of paper towel tube that you have cut down to roughly the same size. And you're going to need tape or glue. And you're going to need something to be the flame. So I've cut two. This was just leftover bits of packaging that was gold. This one is super easy. All you're going to do is take your paper, or if you have a white tube, you can just draw directly on it. Wrap it around and give it a little piece of tape to secure it. Grab the tape. There we go. You can also use a glue stick. And there is the beginning of your candle. Obviously, you're going to want to go around and trim the ends. Pretty cute. And then you're going to add your flame. So now I was going to put them back to back to make one thick flame, but I think I'm going to put one on each side so that no matter what side you look at the candle, we have a flame going. So we're just going to tape it on. We will line it up, put the tape on the back side. This is super easy if you want to be able to carry it around and play with it. And we will tape it on. And then let's do one on the back side. Same thing, a little bit of tape or glue, line it up to the back, and there's your flame, so that no matter which angle you look at, you have an Encanto candle, Encanto inspired candle. Let's go ahead and just tape down the rest of the sides. There. And that is 2 easy ways to create your very own Disney Encanto inspired candle. Make sure you share your crafts with me on Instagram at MyDollyDay. The links will be in the description. That's it for now. Bye, guys.